welcome yourself back to the channel. Your boy's just been approved to sell Lego branded products for my Amazon FBA business, and I will be showing you how I've done that and how you can do so as well. It's not just Lego I've been ungated in now, it's quite a few of the bigger brands in the toy section specifically. And when you're selling the bigger products, it's just a little bit more reliable. I mean, the floodgates open because you're not selling, any product anymore. You're actually selling a reliable name, and they typically have a better profit margin as well. The reason I say that, when you're walking about stores, it typically is the top brands that have got better sales on. And on Amazon as well, the products are selling much faster than any old product. They've typically got better sales ranks, and you're going to have a better profit margin. Now on screen here, this just shows you what it looks like to be gated. You're going to have that big yellow button that says request approval, and you've got to go through the process of getting ungated. These are the three main brands here on screen that I am currently ungated in the toy section, which is Playmobil, Lego and Funko. I would say step one to getting ungated is just getting some sales under your belt in non-gated products. So just in any old product, just get some sales on the board. I waited about 3 months until I put my first selling application in. The first one that I got ungated in, by the way, was Playmobil. I'd recommend starting, I wouldn't start with Lego, I'd start with something else, and then you could build up to Lego and other things. But yeah, 3 months, make sure you've got a good amount of sales under your belt, maybe some feedbacks here and there, and I can guarantee that that's more likely to get you ungated. Step two is picking a wholesaler that's going to be suitable and compatible with you. Now, when you're registering for said wholesaler, you want to make sure you're using the exact same details, such as your street address, your postcode, your name. Make sure that's exactly the same to your Amazon seller account. Make sure it's identical. Amazon are very picky on these things. It has to match exactly. Now, I can't say what wholesaler you should go to indefinitely. Pick one that's compatible for you. What I mean by that, in my case, I was happy to take a slight loss on the initial purchase to guarantee myself success in getting ungated. My wholesaler of choice was Harrison's Direct. Now, to go a little bit further in what I mean by taking a loss, not every wholesaler is going to have a profitable result, so you might want to just take that initial loss to guarantee being ungated in the product, and then you can obviously build that profit back over time. What I'm showing you here on Harrison's Direct, this might be interesting to you, it might not. When I'm typing in Lego there, it's showing that there's no results. However, that's because I'm not signed in. Once you've registered to Harrison's Direct, you'll actually see that Lego results now do show up, and it is the same with Playmobil as well. That might be worth noting if you are going to use Harrison's Direct. You don't have to, but I would recommend using that, as it's a guarantee that you're going to get ungated if you follow the process correctly. Step 3 is pulling that trigger and buying the product. It's important to note you need to buy 10 of the product. It's arguably the easiest thing you can do, the easiest step that you can do, but there are still some mistakes that can be made that is easily done. Now, it's asking you to buy 10 of the same product, not 10 of the same brand. So you couldn't go on Harrison Direct and choose 5 Lego products of one kind and then a different 5 Lego products to equal 10. It has to be 10 of the same exact product, or Amazon's not going to like that and they will not approve you. Okay, we're not quite done there though. Step 4 will be, once your order is complete, is either requesting your invoice or checking your email for the invoice. On Harrison's Direct, I'll put it on the screen just now, where it says invoice requested, it will say request invoice, and it will be, as soon as they possibly can, they will message you with that invoice. And if you have got any problems, Harrison's Direct customer service team is absolutely incredible. They'll get back to you very, very fast. I was very surprised. But once you've got your invoice, you simply fire that off to Amazon, and you should now be able to crack on selling the new Ungated branded product. That's after Amazon have reached their decision. They will always let you know when the decision will be made by, so you know to keep checking your emails. Now that concludes today's video nicely. If you did learn anything, be sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel if you want some more Amazon FBA content. If you are ungated already, let me know in the comments. And if you do get ungated thanks to this video, let me know as well. Take it easy, thanks for watching.